seconds
Alright.
left. 15 seconds to shoot. Surrender. Tyler San Perfecto. Official score 62-57 in favor of San Perfecto Elementary School.
Lamang ang San Perfecto. Tama ba?
Natitira ang oras 5 minutes and 3 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 9.
Tama po ang San Perfecto. Correction sa score 62-59. Ito rin.
Personal foul, 13 foul.
Basket. 65-59.
Seconds.
Last 4 minutes. Number 24 for 3 short.
Substitution.
Seconds.
5 seconds to shoot.
Uy, wala. That's a foul. Bing, bing!
Team foul.
Mabasa apat ang lamang. There's a foul.
Silang foul. Foul number 20.
Pass. Basket. Basket pass. Number 21. Ay, thank you, sorry. Thank you po. Alright, game. Time remaining 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Setting on the play. Crossover number 00. Whoa! What a move! San Juan, San Perfecto. Oh, steal! Pass to number 93. Time out. San Juan Integrated School. Okay, boss. Let's go! Bola rito ng San Juan Central. Number 16. Kick out. Gets the 3. Short. That's a foul. Nalalasap na ng San Perfecto ang kampyonato sa District 1. And the first shot is good by jersey number 00. Second shot, that's Chua. Basket is good for Chua. Ayan na ang San Juan Central. Cross-court pass. What a ball movement. Number 28 for 3. No. Rebound by Nolasco. Nolasco bounce pass. Number 28. Basket. Yan tawag ating referee. Ayan na, bola rito ng San Perfecto Elementary School. Dagger 3. Ay na, gustong makabawi. Number 27, miss. Rebound. Number 27, miss. And yes, a foul. Shots for jersey number 16. First shot is good. Remaining time, 1 minute and 11 seconds. Ayan na. Wala. Oh, number 17 with a putback. Nolasco for 3, miss. Rebound ng San Perfecto Elementary School. Parang classmate ko to. Siya na to. Romnick ba? At dito na po, inuubos ang oras. Wala na tayong minuto, kundi segundo na lamang po. Number 16. Catch and shoot. No. Rebound ng Central. 3 against 1. Top of the key for 3. Miss. Rebound ng San Perfecto Elementary School. Andito na po. Inuubos. At ramdam na po ng San Perfecto Elementary School ang kanilang kampyonato. At naipasok pa nga ron. And dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations, San Perfecto Elementary School. At sila na po ang tinanghal na kampyon ng District 1. And a nice game for San Juan Central. Congrats! San Perfecto at magdiwang na. Alright, muli maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng bumubuo na ating liga, especially to all our leaders ng San Juan Federation. Panonood. At magkita-kita po tayo for our next game, the championship game ng District 2 naman. Waiting ngayon ang San Perfecto Elementary School sa kanilang finals dito ngayong taon. Alright, second game tayo. This is the battle between the Cabayanan Integrated School versus our very own Santa Lucia Elementary School. Good luck and congrats. See you on next game. O, shoutout muna. Tara dito, shoutout. Shoutout.
Para sa Pamertado, para mag-Fiji.
Okay. Thank you. Hey, congrats, mga idol!